Guys, today I am excited because it is no ordinary day. It is demo day. This is way better than kickboxing. Today we're going to be showing you how to install new handles on your kitchen cabinet doors. All you're going to need is a drill, the handles of your choice, and the appropriate screws. Today I'm showing you a beautiful DIY project that is filling up people's Pinterest boards. So let's take your wall decor to the next level while saving you hundreds of dollars by making it yourself. Change the orientation of this canvas a bit because it just kind of makes me feel more like an artiste that it's leaning against the wall like this. There we go. Now it's starting to pop up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stage your buffet table because I always love having design with purpose. I'm going to show you how you can make it on your own, and it's super simple. So stay tuned because this DIY project is gonna knock your socks off. All right, everybody, I've come back with more drywall spackle. So that means it's time to finish this canvas. All right, the drywall spackling is complete. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the whole canvas dry, and then we're gonna come back and paint it white.
Oh my gosh.